Hello everyone, so welcome to this video. I'm going to be going over this RISC-V CPU that a fellow named NOG3 and I have built together. So this is a full RISC-V 32-bit integer core with a few other goodies attached, such as a character printer, a hardware multiplier, and some networking, literal IRL networking, to allow us to program it. And we also have a bootloader here that will allow us to program it as well, but this can't program as large as a file as we can load over the internet like that. And that's using a mod called the TCP mod, which is that modded component right there. Anyway, so what I'm going to show you now is a series or a compilation of videos leading up to where this is now, and then I will get back in. I'll get back with you after that montage, and we'll discuss some of those things. And I'm also going to voiceover overlay on top of that montage to describe what's going on, so you're not just left in the blank. And because as we were building this, I kind of took videos of the little progress we made as we went through this. So yeah, let's check it out.
Okay, so coming up here in this clip, you're going to see Fibonacci running, and this is done in hex, so there's no BCD conversion being done, and you're just seeing it run just the BCD screen on the 0 CSR. It just puts in a new value at the bottom and pushes all the old values up one. Now coming up, you're going to see BCD being done, or I should say Fibonacci being done with software BCD written to display the decimal value instead of it being in hex. Okay, so here you are seeing a sped up video of us when we first got our screen attached and we wanted to test it by rendering the RISC-V logo to the screen. So this is sped up at 500% real time. And there you go. So in this upcoming clip, Nog is explaining how to use the calculator program that he wrote for BobbyCore to me, and then I'm trying it out and videotaping how it goes to show everybody. And yeah, this is not sped up, this is all real time. The audio is from the video, this is not an overlay later. This is completely raw video, raw audio from when we were messing around. It's about a 3-minute clip here.
Okay.
Okay, this takes some time. And I guess I can reset the CPU.
Yeah, we'll build a real nice user panel that has all the resets and all that stuff built in.
Now you can sit down in chair and check it.
Okay. Alright, so let's say I want to do addition, so I press 1. Do I have to press enter now?
No, you need to enable keyboard.
Oh.
This is the switch.
Wait, why am I...
Panel switch left. Well, you can click it on screen. Not this switch!
Where are you? Look, which... Oh, okay, I see. Alright, so...
You press 1.
1?
Not this one.
Okay, first number. I have to use those keys and not the number keys?
Yes.
Alright, so I will say 69. Oh, I did it too fast. Okay, 6, 9, and then enter.
Yes.
4, 2, 0.
Now you press enter and it restarts.
Ah, okay, okay. So now I'm gonna do. I'd like to do a multiplication, and you did this with software multiplication, right?
Yes.
Damn, that's why it's so big. That's why the program's so big. First number.
No, it's not. It's not because of that.
Let's do the same number, 69. Wow, that's fast, bro. I typed those numbers in pretty fast. That's so fast. Like, I'm just typing those numbers in, and like it's just printing them to the screen as I type them. Dude, that's insane.
Okay, let's...
I'll do subtraction. I'll give that a demo. First number. Does it do negatives?
No.
Oh, can I go back? Can I press backspace?
No. You can't do anything.
I was trying to make that 420, but I fucked up. So we got 400 instead. Dank. Cool. That is
Let
awesome.
me try to enter something.
I don't know if we turn the keyboard off or not, but
okay, this is not 4 billion because of BCD to binary not being
yeah.
implemented.
Yeah, so that's the other thing. Yeah, so we have hardware multiplication and division. We also have hardware BCD to add. And then the other thing for I/O that we should add is like internet, like just a TCP thing, you know.
Stop this blinking thing. So now we can load programs really fast.
Straight over the
And
internet.
yeah. Now I want to fix.
You thought it was this inverter?
Yes,
Thought it needed either more or less delay.
I think I need less delay, and that's the entire fix.
So this next clip coming up shows Nog and I working through the development process for trying to get the keyboard to work. And we were trying to make it so that when you entered some characters, they would display immediately, and then you could go to the middle of the string and enter more characters, or then you could backspace and delete characters and enter them, and it would re-render everything. So that's what we were working on here, and you could see how we started working through the code. You could see how we flashed the CPU through the TCP programmer to prove that, you know, we're programming it through the internet. All he had to do was recompile it on his local machine, and then he's running a local server that he presses a button in-game, and that local server grabs the file that he just compiled and sends it to the RAM in the CPU in-game.
What is the problem? Why can't I just invert it? Oh, I can actually change all these CSRs. But what is the problem? Do you see it?
Yeah, what are you doing? You're grabbing the top, the most significant bit, and then getting rid of it with the next line?
I think yes, this gets rid of the top bit because it means press state.
So instead of just getting rid of it, why don't you just write key equals key, you know, just write it to 0. Instead of masking over itself, just rewrite, just say key gets 0.
Key equals to 0?
Yeah, right? Like,
why? I don't want it to be 0. I want to get rid of the last bit.
Oh.
I think it has some warnings. No, it doesn't. Warnings here
What is
actually
this?
help a lot, but not this.
I've never used
Mhm.
continue before in like a C statement.
Do you know what this means?
No, I don't know how that works actually.
It just skips all after it and starts the loop again, like a
Oh,
new
it's
iteration.
specific to the while loop.
No, to for loop 2.
Oh, okay.
So it just skips one iteration. That doesn't do everything after continue.
Okay.
Just starts it again.
Gotcha. So it just goes and looks for the next for loop or that it started from.
Yes. So just if it meets key that is not that is released, it just gets another key, reads another key, another event. So 80 is the last bit. 7F is everything else. Maybe this is
So
the
wait.
problem.
Why don't you just grab? Oh, I see. Why don't you separate it out so it's not inside the if statement, and then you can print it and see if it's working. And wait, no, never mind.
Maybe this.
Wait. Okay, wait. You're right shifting it 7 times to get to. Oh yeah. No.
Maybe this should mean the same.
Then it becomes no, because then it becomes the least significant bit
Yes.
instead of the most significant bit. So then your next line is wrong.
This is a local shifting. It doesn't set key change this the key itself.
Oh, okay. I see. It's not updating it. It's just doing that for the if. Okay.
This is actually exactly the same as
Yeah. Try that.
this.
Yeah. Go back. Yeah. Try that. Oh.
I should definitely have a reset key. This is annoying to reset everything manually. Lost.
Is it done? We should have a done flag.
It has more data, but it doesn't.
Try again.
What is going on? Are you here?
Yeah, I'm here. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes. Can you move? Because why this inverter is off? I think the simulation rate.
What inverter?
Do you have anything updating?
No, I haven't done anything.
Do you see this inverter?
Oh, yeah, what the fuck?
Maybe you can check the console of the server.
It doesn't say anything. Is it one of those
Did we
double?
just fuck up the entire thing?
What happens if you place an inverter? Does it update? Can we just?
Okay, it updates.
There's only 2 connections to it. You want to replace it and put a new one?
What connections? Wait, I will disable connection. Wow, this is such a strange bug.
Yeah. Where's the output going if we were to replace it? Is there output of that going in several spots? Looks like it's just going to one spot. The output's going up to this here. I think we delete it and
So I hope nothing precious.
I believe that's where the other connection was. Seems to be working now. Okay, so now you can load it. You can test it.
Need to reset tools. Working.
Nice,
Connected.
connected. It looks like it's doing it. Pretty long program.
Oh yeah, because the simulation rate is 30.
Alright.
It's done. And I think we can run it.
No. Why did it have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's
What's
same
the
problem.
program before?
Same as the one we had before. Oh, you turned off.
Oh, I can just.
Why isn't it printed? It's funny that the way it prints.
Mm-hmm. Oh, the simulation rate is low. Okay, the program is not that big. I think we can wait. So now we can start. Not really slow clock, and let me try to press 1.
Here you need to speed this thing up.
Let's wait a bit. Actually,
Oh.
I know.
Wow.
Okay, this is slow.
Oh, you're doing it to see if it responds and prints one at a time versus waiting for a batch.
Oh,
Dude, alright, I can.
the logic world keeps key presses.
0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, be careful. Wow.
If you press a button really fast, logic world won't detect it. This is a bug in logic world.
Oh, it's detecting it for me. Whoa! Whoa, your multi-key press. Whoa, I
Yeah.
didn't think of that. Bro!
You can only press all of them. Wow, that actually is really responsive.
Yeah.
Oh,
When you do a batch, it takes a little while, but individually, it's quick. Alright, now get it to print everything. Not just letters, or not just numbers.
it is.
One type in
Slave
Hello World.
work. Because you should. Film color is also, of course, required. Yeah, the last fix.
Reset that.
What?
Nothing. Okay, cool. It's ready. Loaded. Send it. Alright, got a cursor. Oh! Oh, it's running away. The cursor's running away. The cursor ran away.
Crap. Of course it is running away.
That's so cool seeing it write multiple values at once.
Now it should not run away.
Nice. Although, oh yeah, that's how the cursor should work. It should be at the next character spot.
And
Wow.
now I need to make it.
But now what happens when it loops around to the next?
Ah, some shit happens. And is it cheap as well?
Dude, that's so cool.
Hardware cursor rendering. Yeah,
Yeah.
it should add some.
It needs to add the height of the character.
Yeah. Alright, it a bit works. I will go to bed.
Yeah, I don't blame you. That's awesome, bro. Program through the internet, and now there's a cursor. Literally loading the program over the internet into our RAM.
Or
I love how you can press literally all the keys at once. N key rollover. Fucking great.
okay.
And it's keeping with it
yeah.
nice.
So the cursor.
So recompiling it. Now going to program the CPU through the internet after you reset the program counter. Kind of just narrating it because I'm recording. I want people watching the recording to know what's going on. So now we're loading the program in over the internet that he just compiled on his local machine. So it's as easy as compiling and then clicking that button to load it in, and now it's running that program. can see it cleared the screen. The first thing it did. Oh, I'm getting a graphical error. Whoa, my game is like glitching graphically. Oh well. Nice. Let's see what happens when it rolls over. Oh? Oh, it ran away. But only by 1. And it's not continuing to run away. Wait, wait. But turn the cursor back on and go to the next line. Does it go 2 ahead?
No, it won't.
So it's always just going to be 1 ahead every time.
Yes.
So it's just 1 initial mistake. And it's not going to accumulate.
Oh,
No, it looked like it accumulated an error. Yeah, so every time it goes over, it adds an extra 1 over. Okay. That might point to how to fix that.
Okay, I just
Moment of truth. Oh, wow. Nice. Got a cursor, now you just need to implement backspace. And then arrow keys. And then maybe the delete function also. So if you move the arrow over and then press delete, it deletes the one in front of the cursor, whereas backspace deletes the one behind it. Oh, but delete would be a pain in the ass to implement because then you have to shift everything over. Yeah, fuck delete.
everything is pain in the ass because well, if you backspace and type some letter, you have to shift everything. If you want a proper thing, not just some replacing characters.
Right.
But,
I think we can make a naive approach.
Actually, we have a really fast character printer, so that's not a problem for it.
It's the CPU that has to calculate the position and what to do. This is gonna be bullshit C code.
Yeah, kind of. So here is
Go ahead. Alright, so this is demoing that we have a screen with a cursor that we're able to delete, or not delete yet, but we're able to insert characters into the middle of this, and it will shift everything over properly. So now somewhere in the middle of all those ones, if you could enter like okay, he entered 3s, he's entering 3s right now, and you can see it's pushing everything over. If you cursor over into the middle of those ones, and can you enter a 5 in the middle of those ones? Oh, went a little far.
okay. Let's go to the beginning.
Okay, yeah, go to the beginning, interesting. Wow.
Okay, now thanks.
The cursor's not getting left behind sometimes when you enter in the middle.
Why? No, it works every time.
Wow.
It's perfect.